YouTube, this is part 2 of the YouTube video. Last one was snipers. This match. Why are you trying to noob to, man? Yo, I can't even do this good. Man, I'm not even. I can't. I'm losing. I've been trying. Quit head glitching.
I just head glitched on him.
Man, I'm about to start trying again. Cause he's head glitching, Scotty. I'm a head glitch.
Then now stop head glitching.
Oh my God, man.
I'm using the freaking Uzi.
Not my fault.
Oh, he got a collateral. He shot me first, and then the bullets went through me, and then.
Man, yo, YouTube, I'm just sucking right now because the way I gotta hold this. Well, I'm not hold it, but way I'm using it.
Wow.
Dude, I'm ranging right now.
Oh, I was gonna blow it up in the face. See, I know going hard. Yo, I would've liked it. Oh, I thought I would've had it. See, look, you won. That's it. Because you fucking won.
Oh my God, yo, Scotty, we're not trying. Man, maybe that was luck. Yeah, that was luck because.
Yo, I'm getting spawn kill. Nice.
Oh my God.
Stop fucking knifing, bitch.
Kill him! Kill him! I'm just gonna say. Wow. Yo, whoever just killed me got about luck because I pressed start. Yo, I don't understand why you didn't kill him. Man, I'm freaked. There we go. Alright.
You guys won, so that's it. We lost.
Yeah.
What are we doing now? Yo, but give them one more game. Just give them one more game.
That's the clan battle, man.
So what are we about to do? Like, what guns do we use now?
It's the clan battle, that's it.
Dang. I'm kicking everybody out.
What the?
Why? What did I do to you? No,
Alright, YouTube.